on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. I don't know what trouble we're gonna get into, but we're gonna see what's up. It is cold outside and I just left the gym, but your boy is hungry, so I'm gonna go grab some food, take you guys along, do a little POV drive on the way there. I can't wait for the summer, you guys, man. The summer is gonna be so much fun, bro. Just gotta get there first, you feel me? Until then, we're gonna keep staying consistent, stay grinding and all that. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, but I gotta find something. I gotta see what. I was thinking pizza, but I've been eating pizza too much recently. I gotta eat something else. Damn. Oh, I should not beat that light. I think I might just go to the mall, grab something on the way, and then just pretty much head home. So let me put Waze actually, just so I can see where the cameras are and stuff, just in case, you know. Well, my phone and my camera are dying. That's crazy. Well, it should be all right. Be careful with these bumps over here though. Them things is crazy. Let me turn my high beams on for a sec, bro. I kind of want some Burger King. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This guy was coming mad fast behind me. Chill. I know I'm probably not eating the healthiest for somebody that's working out, but at this point, bro, I'm just trying to gain weight, so whatever. I just burn it off tomorrow. Probably unhealthy food, but it's whatever, bro. The tires on that car are fat, bro. Holy. 60, is that a 63S? Yeah, I think so. But if y'all could see, yo, I wish I could see the tires on that thing. Them things is huge. Let's see if we can catch up to that 63. It's right here. I'm gonna pull up right next to him actually. It's just clean. That thing is loud. Shit, there's a hole. Ugh. Yeah, what are people doing at the mall at this time, bro? Go home, it's mad cold out. Out of here with style. you guys are enjoying the car content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, man, for more content like this. I got plenty of car videos, guys. If you guys want to check out the playlist, I have mad videos going to the city, driving around town, just making noise, having fun, and just pretty much enjoying the car, man. So if you guys want to check those videos out, make sure you guys go down below. They're in my description, so check them out. And yeah, man, we're almost pretty much at the crib. I don't even know what the title of this video is. I just, you know, I was at the crib and I felt like I wanted to drive, and I figured I'll go to the gym, then do a little POV video for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like the video of it and all that. So I know that this guy in front of me is probably nervous right now. He's like, nah, this guy behind me, what is he doing? I mean, nothing, I'm just driving, bro. Where's this guy come out of, bro? Out of nowhere. All right, you guys, well, that is pretty much the end of the video. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the other videos, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.